Hey guys, this is Kroma and I'm very excited because a package has arrived. This is a mail call from Mr. Challenge Lock Wizard himself, Beercan Bushcraft, aka Tinnie. Some of you may have seen on his channel and or Lock Picking-Paul's channel. Tinnie has made me a challenge lock out of a Italian FASEM cylinder, and I'm really excited about this because I'm a big fan of Tinnie's work, and he has kindly agreed to make this challenge lock for me. I will put the link to Tinnie's channel in description, as well as Paul's channel. You may check out the videos on making of this challenge lock and video on picking it. Let's see. Ooh, some stickers. This is the lock, and there's a swag bag. Nice. I shall use these noodles. Let's see what we have here. Oh, nice. Lock Picking-Paul. Nice badge. Stickers from Tinnie, stickers from Paul. Whoop, what's this? Brett sucks. No, he doesn't. He's a cool guy. Beercan Bushcraft. Nice. Very nice. Otter arms. Ooh. Very nice. And Lock Picking-Paul. Love his chip. Nice. So this is starting to become a real collection here. Now to the star of the night. I doubt that this will. I don't think he made it. Oh, he actually. Wow! He made it to work with this key. Amazing. Tinnie, I'm sorry if I doubted you. You really are a wizard. Check this out. Number 70. Oh, look how nice and precise this is. Oh, the Italian job. Beautiful work, Tinnie. Thank you very much for agreeing to do this, for everything you did for me. I have a package to properly say thank you for all you did, and I shall keep it as a surprise as to what it is, and I'm pretty sure that you will like it. Thank you again, and thanks all of you for watching, and see you next time. I will be picking this, attempting to pick this later. I just want to savor the moment for now. Thank you guys again, and see ya.